From the Associated Press, a Colombian court has convicted a retired Army general of murder and has sentenced him to 40 years in prison for his role in a massacre in 1997 by far-right militias. The sentence of former General Jaime Humberto Escategui is the most severe imposed on a senior Colombian officer in a case of collusion with right-wing death squads. A paramilitary force murdered at least 49 people they had deemed to be guerrilla sympathizers in the village of Mapiripán. At the time, Escategui was a brigade commander in charge of a garrison where a pair of chartered planes carrying far-right gunmen landed. The men were then dispatched to oversee the massacre. During the 5-day killing spree, the local judge, Ivan Cortez, made repeated telephone calls for help to Escategui's subordinates, but said they ignored his pleas to send troops to halt the massacres. The murders, in which bodies were hacked up and many thrown in a river, marked the bloody arrival of right-wing death squads in Colombia's eastern plains, where they would go on to kill hundreds of people they decided were leftist rebel sympathizers. Human rights groups have long accused Colombia's military of aiding and abetting right-wing death squads, citing the Mapiripán massacre as a clear case of close cooperation between the army and landowner-backed militias operating outside the law. The court found Escategui guilty of murder, kidnapping, and falsifying public documents. The former general insists he is innocent, and his lawyer says he will appeal the verdict to Colombia's Supreme Court.